Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumshibenta ka jing rakhi yagaling ko dap shipos nem. Para gajo ko por ye ka Sngi ka Kyrpang jong Nonghikai leni ka Teachers Day. Ka spark menta ka Sngi ka santrik unailor arajar arpusaw. Kala penlong de ka program ka KJP Assembly Hall. Hagani ka Sngi la rakhi yagaling ka program harengkat Khynnah ki berasange ka jing light school. But ki wei ki Khynnah ki bakam duna ha ka yo ka kon. Ki bawan na ki shnong ki bajingai. Haringkat gajing dan lang jong ki nong shakot ngob ha na ki tanat sorkar bapher nang ta ki seng tremon ngob ha ki samla puli ni ki college but ki school ba hagni gasni kaladan ru program culture ka balingkot na ki Khynnah ki baduna ha ka yo ka kon ka kongsan na kani gasni kadi ka kong Rosetta M Kurba ki bari ka deputy commissioner jong ki East Khasi Hills district haba ai jingkeren ha kani gasni ne kala ka kongsan ka kong kurba kala ai ka jingero ye ka kinhon bat kinong yalam jong ka spark ka bala shimti ban mi shakman ban kener ka kti kamon bat kti kadiang ban ai jingerap ne ka benta ki Khynnah red ki bawan ne ki longying longsem ki badung shishu ka deputy commissioner kala ai men semru ki Khynnah bawan hapdeng ki babun ki jing bat ki jing snusi ha ka jing kom ki breu ki de ban sngot hu bakini baro ki jinge ki long tang shipor para pedeng kini ki baro ki jingele amdai ban e no Shiteng por lani bandu jingkermen
desire of attending school. It was at that point where we introspected the situation and found that there are certain categories of children who are still out of school due to various causes and reasons. Hence, the birth of Spark bringing life to lives with an objective to make education a reality for every child and person who could not make up to school. The concept was, if a child cannot go to school, then why not school reaches out to him or her where any child can attend education as per his or her flexibility. And this was made possible with the help and support from Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Education Department.
Hima was a very, I had met her in when I was in Diesel, and thereafter last year when I was first posted again as the DC of East Khasi Hills, and then again recently we keep on meeting each other, and I think so it's for a good cause. And coincidentally today, you're celebrating your 10 years, and today we're celebrating the Teachers' Day. I can't imagine of what better role model that you are as a teacher. He is your student, as he said, and without any kind of reservation, he's done a very good job of sharing without, practicing and doing a very good job. And of course, I've met him in Rehoy too, and he reminded me. So, as the name Spark says, it gives us hope. It gives us, whenever we say spark, we can only see light. We can only think of light and hope. And I really thank Hima for starting this organization. You are a ray of light to all of us, to all the children present here. I could the teachers present from all the 5 centers, along with some parents. I believe parents are here too. Some of the parents. I could lay kalong kasi kabat ni Lehkmen lang bati. We are very happy to be here, and ni I could lay kabaning ko you play. We thank God above all things because for giving us a person, who's given us hope, as I said earlier. And to tell you frankly, today we are celebrating the feast of Mother Teresa, Saint Mother Teresa. She also was a beacon of hope for underprivileged people who really suffered, people who no one was giving any importance. And I'm seeing here a live example here in Shima, who has taken it upon her to we still believe that there's a lot of good people in this world. We just need to be ready to help and be ready to be part of your journey. I mean, anyone can take this role, but it takes that spirit and then endurance, not all of us have that, and we really need to appreciate, and we pray that there'll be more people, good Samaritan, as we say, to come along a way, especially for the benefit of our children. Kamtam nakabantagin kikulong kibaret, kibadan hang ni, kajing don jam I madam kumini I Shima, kalawan ra kajing Germen, day na day, kia menjur, tadi talk tin nak nampai macam, lada day bayundan kumini madam, tempat kini ki santli ki center pinamiadan. But minum ya kundo mentakas ni day na te ni ay kublay madam na malba ila penwan lang mai ka daw ba nginyadan lang harane ka meeting mentakas ni ban niya kemen lang ba tibaro ba kani ka organization spa kadap si post nem mo te kung pangaong na do man ba ni berkait haji ni everyday niya denti nanti kasi pareng namanya sekolah. Every day we walk in our life with only hope. If there's no hope, if we look around, today we were having a meeting, every day we're reviewing. There's a lot of disappointment in life. There's a lot of sad thing happening. But then, at the end of the day, what gives us that, push? Because we know that there is a way. For every journey that we go through in life, every obstacle, they're not permanent. Okay? Obstacles are not permanent. But don't give up. Never give up. Okay? And never give in also. Because I feel like we always say never give up. We are used to this word. We are very used to the word never give up, but we are not never used of the word never give in. We never give in meaning like whatever difficulty that you face along the way, haba pia enti kajing kibon na kajing teng ikwa aban give up like kumbaong mo, ikwa aban ino. Kumbalong ini madam look a story to Kiba Susanne her story is very it's not meant to be shared today, but then she's gone through a lot, and but then what pushed her? It's because that drive, that love, that kajingin kabaidon ng tajong ipi way kulong. For the love of seeing children, if we have should have picked the video, we've just seen the video. Over there we've seen in life, as we go along, often we take life for granted. All of us take life for granted because we are born in a silver spoon, and we're just happy we coincidentally have a job, and we forget that there are other things in life, We forget that there are people not so privileged, people who are really suffering. We tend to kind of think that, my life is like this. We just take for granted that other people's life also will be okay. Fight if you may have to, okay? But don't give up. And I say don't give in to bad company, to drugs, to be complacent. Okay, that is the meaning of never give in. Don't give in. Don't ever give up whatever you have in your dream. Go ahead. You'll always find. But don't sit at home and think people will come to your house. No. You have to come out of your comfort zone to be able to do something for yourself. Because there's always a part. Something is always there. People are ready to help you if you first of all take the first step